The Portamate PM-4000 from Bora Tool is the most practical, hassle-free stand there is for miter saws or chop saws. It's rugged, dependable, and no-nonsense to provide the pro or enthusiast with the ideal stable, portable platform to get in, get out, and get the job done right. No tools are required for setting up or breaking down the stand. And the quick mount tool attachments give you the freedom to easily remove the saw for transport in virtually any vehicle, for storage, or even for use atop your workbench in the shop. The tubular steel design not only makes the PM-4000 strong, it allows for two material supports that can be pulled out to support boards up to 10 feet long. Whatever the job requires, if your saw can cut it, the Portamate can support it. Lightweight but never light duty, the Portamate PM-4000 from Bora Tools is the lightest, most compact contractor-grade stand on the market.